for Jamie's yoga adventures.
This episode is called Big Red Lever.
Hello, I'm Jamie. This is my treehouse. Are you ready to do some yoga? Amazing! Just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Let's all blow a great big bubble, arms wrapped round, just like a cuddle. We'll try the moves and feel the glow. It's sparkle time. Let's go, go, go! Swirly spins and wobbly knees, shimmying shoulders, big strong trees. It's time for adventure. Just follow me. Let's find the glow rings. 1, 2, 3. Let's have fun collecting them together. Will you help me? Great! Let's get ready to go. We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find our glow. Hello, Glow, we're ready to go.
Hi, I'm Sunny. It's great to meet ya. I'm Pocket by name and Careful by nature.
My name's Max. I put on a show.
Just call me Go. I go with the flow.
Come on, Wunzies, here we go.
Let's get ready to go.
We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find life's better. When we find together, we'll all find our glow. Here we are on Marshmallow Mountain. Let's do a mountain pose and enjoy the freshness of the mountain air. Standing with our feet hip distance, arms by our side, palms facing forwards, we breathe and clear our mind.
104, 105, 106.
Hello, Pocket.
Oh, hello, Jamie. And hello to you.
What were you counting?
The steps. I always take my time. Mountains can be slippy, but as I always say, hold the handrail, mountain ranger, and you'll cut down the risk of danger.
Good for you. We were just enjoying the freshness of the mountain air. It's very relaxing.
I came up here to relax too.
Oh, let's imagine we're rowing through calm blue waters.
Oh, yes. Very relaxing.
Coming down to sit with our legs long, we take hold of one of our ankles and ring, 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 ring. That's the telephone. Let's answer it, holding our foot to our ear. Hello? Oh, hi, Sunny. Really? Oh, how exciting. Oh, OK. Well, we'll go take a look and let you know what it is. Yeah, all right. I know. Yeah, OK, yeah. Love you. Bye. We put the phone down. That was Sunny the tiger.
Oh.
She was just ringing to say that she spotted something mysterious in the woods. She didn't have time to have a proper look, though, as she's off to pick daisies in Feel-Good Fields.
What did she see?
Well, she wasn't sure. She said something about a big red lever.
A big red lever? Ooh, action stations! Action stations!
There's an unidentified big red lever in the wood. I repeat, there is an unidentified big red lever in the wood.
I can confirm, this is not relaxing.
Let's all come up to stand and go take a proper look. Don't worry, Pocket. I think we've seen one of these levers before.
Well, that's all right then. But we still need to make sure everyone in Wobble Wood is safe, just in case.
Yes. Now, how shall we get there? Bumpy truck, roller skates, or surfboard? Which one do you think Pocket will choose?
Surfboard, please.
Let's let's get on our surfboards. Stepping 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, bending into our front knee, stretching our arms wide, and let's surf the waves, dude. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Here we are in Wobble Wood with the lovely trees.
Oh, and a huge block of ice with a big red lever in it.
Yes, there it is. I'm pretty sure it isn't a scary lever, but let's all take a long, deep breath to calm our thoughts. Does that feel better?
Much better. Thank you, Jamie.
Let's get a closer look. Coming down to crouch on our tiptoes, we get ready to crow walk a little bit closer.
Closer? No thank you. I'll wait back here.
Trying not to wobble. Here we go. We carefully take 1 crow step and another crow step. Now we do our squat pose, nuzzling our arms in between our knees. We pop on our cosmonoculars, joining our thumbs and fingers together. Have a look through. Just as I thought.
What is it?
It's a magic sparkle lever.
A magic sparkle lever?
That's right. When you pull it, it gives you a lovely surprise. They appear here in Wobble Wood every now and again.
Oh, are we going to pull it then?
We can do, if you like, now that we know what it is.
What do you think? Should we pull the magic sparkle lever? Really? You want to?
Up we come to stand. First things first, we need to melt the ice. Let's get the sun's help by doing a sun pose. Oh, look! Sun pose is our first glow move. Let's go, go, glow! Standing tall, we reach up high. We wave at the sun and we say, hello, sun!
Oh, wow! Wow! Ooh!
Way to glow! And the sun is shining a sunny sunbeam and it's melted the ice.
We did it! What next?
Let's lower our arms. This is one tough-looking lever. We're going to need to find super strength to move it. Let's use the power of our legs in a dog pose. Oh, look! Dog pose is our glow move number 2. Ready? Here we glow again. Coming down to our hands and knees, we tuck our toes and we press our hips up to the sky in our dog pose. Now we reach one leg all the way up behind us and give it a good push. That's it. Good push.
Oh, it moved a bit.
Well done, everyone. But we're not done yet. Lowering that leg down, we lift up the other leg and we give it a good push on this side. Good push. It moved a bit more. Great work, everyone. Lowering our leg, we jump our feet to our hands and we roll up to stand. Now, we need to find a bit more strength for this final push. This is the big one, and we need to do it all together.
We're ready, aren't we?
We need to find all our strength. It's warrior time. Oh, look! Warrior pose is our final glow move. Let's glow for it. Stepping our feet wide, we bend into our front knee, stretch our arms wide. We reach and focus like strong warriors.
Yoo!
Let's jump and do it on the other side.
Yoo!
That's all 3 rings. We did it. Can you feel the glow?
Ooh, what's that noise? What's that?
Look up.
Wow! It was a shooting star surprise.
Let's lie down on our backs and enjoy the show. We've worked hard today.
Look at all those beautiful shooting stars. How funny. I went up to Marshmallow Mountain to relax. Then I bumped into you and we had an adventure instead.
It was fun, wasn't it?
It was.
I think we've all had fun today. But now it's time to say bye-bye to Pocket and head home. Goodbye, Pocket.
Goodbye, Jamie. Goodbye.
We wave goodbye and head for home. The Wunzies helped us all to feel the glow. It's there inside of you and me. We found the rings. 1, 2, 3. We did it, we've all found our glow. We wiggled and jiggled and went with the flow. Breathe deep, we're taking it home. Together we all share the glow. Breathe deep. How do you feel now? Can you feel the glow inside you? I know I can. That feeling is ours to keep. We had a great adventure today too, didn't we? And that lever moved in the end. I wonder if Pocket's still enjoying her shooting star surprise. Let's come to sit with our legs crossed and send some friendly wishes. Rubbing our ears, we think of someone we know. Rubbing our jaw, we see that person in our mind. Now we place a hand on our tummy, a hand on our chest as we close our eyes and think of our person again. We imagine them being really happy because this is how we hope they can be. Now we open our eyes, bring our hands to our mouth and blow our friendly wish their way. Now we close our eyes and take a big, deep breath. Opening our eyes. Time to go. Now we always finish in the same way, by bringing our hands together at our hearts and saying our special yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Well done. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.